What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you guys. I'm Truth. This is my channel. If this is your first time checking out the content, welcome. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. You could be anywhere else, but you chose to be right here, and I greatly appreciate it, man. To all my reoccurring subscribers, my day ones, welcome back. I appreciate you, every one of y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Today we will be doing another review on a sneaker that dropped in the past, but you know what? I ain't reviewed it yet. So my motto this year is to review and touch everything, to bring everything to you guys, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Shout out to my guy Deep Souls, man. Link will be down in my description section for tossing me the live on these sneakers for you guys to be able to see them. They are not my size, so I will not be doing the on feet, and I know he's gonna be selling these things, but I will give you guys the info that you need if you want to purchase from him, or if you're thinking about being on the fence and you want to know my opinions on this sneaker. This is the right video for you guys, man. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell. Check out my other videos. This link right here is going to show my videos that connect the word of God to these sneakers. Hope it's an encouragement to each and every one of you guys. With all that out of the way, let's talk about them. Let's go.
You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the you can kick it with us too. Technology.
So today we will be taking a closer look at the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyranite, and I hope I'm saying that right, man. This is the first time I reviewed a 700 at all on my channel. I have not ever went for one. I went for, well, I take that back. I have went for one for other people, but it's not something I wanted to add to my collection. But you know what I'm saying, to be able to review it, I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and talk about it, man. Let's go ahead and start with this box. Let me move these out the way. I know you've seen a lot of reviews of these things, but do want to show you the box. You see that 700 on the top of the box, and then you have this tag right here on the box. This is a size 13, my guy, so it is not my size. And then it says Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanites. I hope I'm saying that right, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing else different about the box. You know, the same old stuff. Let that go right there. Alright, so here we go right here. Here are the shoes. So we have the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanites. Now, I know these have a TPU glow-in-the-dark cage, which is going to be right here. This caging does glow in the dark on these things, which is very dope on all of them. There's been other colorways. This one kind of resembles the OG one, if I'm not mistaken. Just kind of like a reverse colorway of it. So a lot of people really wanted this shoe. We were talking about the resale for it, but you see the booty on that thing. You got the Adidas logo, and it's not many times, even on the V3s, the 350s, that you see Adidas logos. You know, it's like no branding on any of these things. You know what I'm saying? Even with the Wave Runners, it's like no branding anywhere that I can see on these things. But on this one, they did decide to go on that booty. They did decide to go with that Adidas on the that Adidas branding on the booty. So is that kind of like the Nike Air branding on the booty? Does these make these things more OG? We'll talk about that later. You know what I'm saying? So on the bottom of the sneaker, we do have that bottom right here. It's like a gum bottom, translucent gum, and then it has the hints of the blue and the white. Got that futuristic look, just like all the other Yeezys. It looks a little different. And then a toe box right here. It has that, like, I call it a peekaboo suede right here. And then we have the hints of the 3Ms going there. We have that infinitive lace system here. I don't see any other laces with them, so I don't know if you can cut this. I'm pretty sure you can cut that. I don't know much about Yeezys, and you might be able to lace them up or just replace the laces. In my opinion, I probably would just keep it the way that it is because it looks pretty dope. You have that extra sock liner, the padded sock liner on the inside of the sneaker. It does say that Yeezy. I don't think these have boost in them, if I'm not mistaken. These don't have boost in them. But let me go ahead and check out this insole. We do have that Ortholite technology in these. You see the bottom of the insoles right here. I heard these are super comfortable. No boost, like I said, on the inside of these things. But I did hear that they're super comfortable. So the dopest thing about this sneaker, in my opinion, outside of the glow cage, is that this mesh netting, this material right here. I don't know exactly what it is, but the details is insane. It's crazy. Like I said, you got the sunflower colorway. You've got some other different colorways, but very, very dope. Very funky looking shoe. You know what I'm saying? Here's the right one. Very funky looking shoe. It's definitely gonna turn some heads. As far as sizing go, I always say go a half a size up. I'm just beginning to think that's just a rule of thumb for all Yeezys. A half a size to a full size up, depending on how your sneakers fit. Because to be honest with you, they fit snug. You feel what I'm saying? But if you like that snug fit, go true to size. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is that I rarely see any imperfections on Yeezys. So as I'm looking at this sneaker, I don't see any imperfections on it. Just a very well put together sneaker. I don't know how you can aesthetically mess up these shoes. Here's the interior of the sneaker. It looks exactly like the exterior of the sneaker. Like I said, just a very dope looking shoe in my opinion. But let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about these shoes? These shoes currently are reselling for right around $250, $265. That's with fees and stuff like that shipped to you from StockX or GOAT. Not a bad price for these sneakers when you think about resale for shoes. But it'll have to be, for me, it'll have to be a shoe that I really want for me to pay that. You feel me? I'm not gonna mess around with these. It's not something that I really want to add to my collection. But I can see why people actually like them. I'm not one of those people that be like, oh, it's hype, it's hype. That's why I want to touch everything and bring it to you so you guys can actually make a choice. So yeah, if you're interested in them, they are available. It's plenty of ways that you can get sneakers nowadays. I know a lot of people are mad at the sneaker game, but to be honest with you, this is the best time to be in a sneaker game because you have the opportunity in so many ways to cop a sneaker. StockX, GOAT, eBay. You have so many ways to cop sneakers, trade, resale, and stuff like that. I mean, the game is wide open right now if you really want, if it's a shoe that you really want. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know down in the comment section if you mess with these or not. I appreciate it. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, the shoes behind me, this Yeezy right here, they're just bait, or for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Peace.
I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke.